this quiet love has never once gone dim. I send my thoughts up through the velvet sky, hoping somehow they'll find their way to you. And if you're lonely, if you wonder why, just look above, I'm thinking of you too. The miles between us feel so far and wide, but love was never measured by the mile. And every night before I close my eyes, I send you home a quiet, hopeful smile.